Here we have the super sweet and beautiful Eva, who I'm going to show how to get a polished and smooth style on her short blonde bob. First, we're going to prep her hair with our Forever Blonde Dramatic Repair, spraying it in every single strand to strengthen and replenish her lightened blonde hair, brushing it through to make sure that's saturated evenly. Now we're going to layer it with our Super Skinny Serum for that silky, smooth, shiny end result that we want on our blonde hair, but also sealing and protecting the hair so it dries quicker. Working it through with my fingers so that's evenly distributed from scalp through ends, and using my 413 sculpting brush to brush through. Now with our Express Iron Dry Plus Blow Dry, I'm just going to flat wrap the hair back and forth for natural movement, leaving the hair healthy and shiny. Once the hair is dry, we're going to spray each strand with hot off the press or thermoprotectant to protect each strand, sealing it from any thermal styling. We go in with our Express Iron Smooth Plus. I'm just taking inch sections here and then gliding my Express Iron Smooth Plus mid-shaft through ends with that light bevel to control and polish the hair. I don't want to flatten it, I just want to polish it. Beveling it through just to get that slight bend to accentuate that cute bob that she has. Now we're just going to switch the part for added volume and finish with a hot off the press finishing spray for a natural hold. There's Eva, chic and beautiful.